How to earn 7 figures per year with YouTube. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel involves creating video content and publishing it on YouTube. It's ideal for charismatic individuals who enjoy being on camera or have a specific expertise or passion they want to share. Once you start getting views and subscribers, you can monetize the channel through YouTube's native ad service, creating sponsored content, selling products, offering freelance services, or creating and selling digital or physical products. Pros: opportunity to reach a global audience. Various revenue options like ad earnings, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Creative freedom in content production. Cons: requires consistent content creation. High competition among content creators. Time-consuming video production and editing process. How to start. Starting a YouTube is simple: create videos, upload them to the platform, and share them to your network. Being successful is a little harder. You'll need to know how to create engaging content. Consistently publish videos over weeks, months, or longer. Know the type of content that works on the platform. If you find success, you need to work out how to monetize your content. Use YouTube's native ad platform or look at the other options on this list for ideas. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.